What is the cosmic microwave background? The cosmic microwave background, CMB, is faint radiation left from the universe's birth. Discovered accidentally in 1965, the CMB provided strong evidence supporting the Big Bang theory. The CMB appears uniform but contains tiny temperature fluctuations, essential for cosmic studies. Missions like WMAP and Planck mapped these fluctuations, revealing detailed cosmic structures. These maps help scientists understand the universe's age, shape, and mysterious dark components. Dive deeper into our universe's origins. Subscribe now for more cosmic insights.